on YouTube, fam? We back with another banger, and yes, it is that season. It's basketball season, and I'm so happy. This is the best time of the year. We got baseball, which is ending. Shout out to them who's going to the World Series, all that good stuff. By that time, it should be going on. By the time I drop this, that should be going on. Shout out to NBA and shout out to the NFL and the NHL. All this is going on right now. This is the best time of the year. And everybody asks me, what is your best fall shoe? Well, this won't be in this video, but be on the lookout for that. I just want to throw it out there. My best fall sneakers. I'm going to do a top 5 fall sneakers. So be on the lookout for that after this drop. Yo, we got some heat for y'all today. We got some heat. Shout out to Extra Butter because they took forever to send it. Like I said, shout out to Extra Butter. They took forever to send it, but they did send the email out saying what's going on. So, hey, shout out to them for actually doing and having customer service. So, shout out to them, Extra Butter. If I'm not mistaken, these shoes are still sitting on Extra Butter. But today, we have one of my all-time favorites. Y'all know what it is. This is an all-time favorite shoe for me. And if y'all don't know, now y'all can tell by my background, I have a lot of them. I rock them on a daily basis. This is one of the shoes that's continuously in my rotation. Whether 1, 2, or 3 of them that's in my rotation on a 7-day rotation. I'm telling you now, if y'all go back, I got TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, all that good stuff. That's all you'll see through it. Is Forces. Because what shoe is the all-time greatest shoe will be this. Once we dead and gone, or whatever it may be, this shoe came out in '85. This is a they keep making renditions of shoes, and I love it, especially Air Forces. It's so many different Air Forces. There's so much shoes you can just get customized and just make them look so different. So that's why I love Air Force Ones. And hey, I can wear 3 different sizes in the Air Force One. I can get an 11, I can get 11.5, and I can get a 12. No other shoe you can do that with. No other shoe. Probably Jordan 1s, but no other shoe you can really do that with, because depending on the type of leather or material that's on the shoe, the sizings run different. But needless to say, bam, Air Force One, bam, bam, bam. This is a woman's Air Force One. This did come in extended sizes, which I'm great they did. Because if y'all know, a woman's 12 only goes to a man's 10.5. And that's just right on the cusp of me getting it. So, we had to do it one dirty. We had to do it one dirty. Well, yeah, we had to do one dirty. Bam, we gonna go to that. This is a Summit White Air Force One. Woman's 13.5. So, a men's 12. Bam, 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 bam. Like, I swear, this got so much Crocodile Dundee going on in it. Oh my God. You don't get no better than this, man. You don't get no better than this, man. If y'all don't know, like, if y'all know like I know. If y'all know like I know, a quality Air Force One will last you. It's not like the cheap all whites that you gotta continuously buy them. The quality ones will last you. You can get some wears out of them. And they look better when they get them a little bit of the creasing in it, because the leather's great. You can't go bad with a quality Air Force One. As you can see in the toe, we got a little creasing already there. That's not because they've been worn. That's because that's a good soft quality leather. Soft quality leather. As you can see, we got some reptile here, reptile around the front, around the back here. That bottom is that gray, which it look like it's that gray recycled, because you got the specs in there. I don't know if y'all can see it. It got them specs in there. That tongue got that nice little cloth on it, which is great. That great bottom, that great inside. Like I said, this is a great shoe. If I'm not mistaken, this is sitting at some places. And let's not forget the alligator on the Nike swoosh. I'm not sure what reptile these kind of drop in. It's a couple different ones. I definitely will leave a link in the description, and in the description down below, make sure y'all go check out my eBay, which is my selling page. Click that link. I'm consistently putting stuff on there. 1 to 2 to 3 to 4 things sometimes in a week. It is Big Feet Game. I'm sorry, it's Big Feet Game. It's gonna range between 11 and 12 majority of the time. I am looking to build that a little bit more, so most of the shoes are worn, but I do throw some DS stuff up on there as well. So with all that being said, bam, bam, this your boy Blacked Out Kickz coming to y'all with another video saying, hey, stay blessed, be blessed, and always, always find a way to get your blessings. Yo, we out.